Alright guys, next up we are doing 8-box break number 7 of the new 2021 Topps Stadium Club Baseball. It was by teams. Here are your teams. Okay. Hey, Habit Apache. Box topper.
The Braves, Tim A. Pache for Tim A.
Pache for Tim A.
Well, that's what Sam does too.
Dalton Jeffries, red foil. Giancarlo, red foil. It's weird, the foils are backwards on this one.
Wacky boxes.
Ken Griffey Jr., black foil.
Oh, no clown cards.
I like the clown better than I like that other freak. McKinstry autograph. That looks cool.
That's a new one. We haven't seen that yet.
McKinstry autograph for the Dodgers. Mississippi. She'll like that. Wade Boggs 30th. Oh no.
No Schwarbs.
Crochet. Red foil. DeGrom. Triumvirate for the Mets GMBBB.
Sorry, but I can't look at this card without thinking that Javi is about to just clock this dude in the head with the ball.
Does look like that. Like he's going to right directly at the back of his head.
That's about to go really bad. Try to look for variations too. I guess they're usually backwards, aren't they?
McGuire, red foil. They usually are, but also the foils usually aren't. So
she does. She happy.
Freddie Freeman, VR. Alvarez, red foil for Houston. And a Romuto, red foil for Houston. I don't know why we got 2 red foils in that one, but we did. Missed it?
No, it's just always fun when you get those calls and they're like, this is whoever from Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Chase Services.
Zach Allen, black foil.
One heck of a merger.
Espino autograph. His autograph looks cool.
Very loopy.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of P's, it looks like.
Toronto, HD Ninja.
I mean, does that really say Espinal?
I would assume.
I guess the P's and the L's are kind of the same. I don't know. I'm going to start doing that with my signature, just to make like a bunch of fancy looking characters, and yeah, that's my name. Why not?
Yeah, they were. I can hardly remember it now, but they were really good.
I can't remember, were they really good because we were in Vegas and having a good time, or was it because they were just really freaking good?
I know.
I thought they were really freaking good.
Yeah, me too. Oh, hey, Instavision right on the front to 50.
We haven't seen a red one yet, have we?
Ken Griffey Jr., 30 of 50. God, that hat's so good. Seattle, 30 of 50. Brad PC, Ken Griffey Jr., Instavision.
Very nice.
This is very weird. Derek Jeter, red foil. That's how everything's in these packs.
Flip around.
Yeah.
There's Brad.
Superstar Duos.
Brad's one of our favorite lurkers.
Yeah.
He's always there. He's always, just like Cranky Yankee's always there watching.
Yeah.
JMBB's always there watching.
Jemiah Jones to 50. Can't get those apart.
We
Blue.
appreciate you.
Oh, I love that hair. Baltimore. Bobbert. Jemiah Jones.
If you take the hair away, he kind of looks like Colt Wong.
Yeah, he does. I thought I didn't
He's
consciously
got the same
think it,
facial
but yeah.
hair. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. Bryce Harper Chrome for the Phillies. And Mookie Betts VR. Man, I want a sandwich now.
I was going to say, all sandwich talk. Forget the ice cream. Let's go to Schlotsky's.
Yeah. I like bomb. So, Pashino, bomb.
What am I saying? We're getting ice cream.
Yeah, we're getting ice cream.
It's going to happen.
Now we just gotta decide what kind of ice cream we're getting.
I mean, it's freaking July 4th weekend. Nothing says America like, late night sugar and sandwiches.
I think I'm gonna get a Cookie Monster with the flavor of the day. It's gonna go overkill.
Oh yeah, the brownie.
Pretas,
Brownie batter or something. Brownie bites? Brownie what? What's up with brownies?
It's peanut butter ice cream with brownie bites mixed in.
That's right.
But I'm going to get the concrete that also has cookie dough and Oreo in it. And I'm going to have all of that in it with peanut butter ice cream. Blackman red foil because I have a problem.
It was out of 50, Brad. Yep. 30 of 50.
It's a really good one. Trey Turner, black foil.
I don't want to say it's the best one we pulled, but...
it was definitely the best one we pulled.
Yeah, it's the best one we pulled.
It was.
It's good stuff.
Victor Gonzalez, autograph. Dodgers, Mississippi. Victor Gonzalez autograph.
I just feel guilty about neglecting Culver's lately.
You haven't been there forever.
Culver's got us through the pandemic.
Pretty much.
And that was our go-to place.
Brandon Marquez. Red foil. Giancarlo Stanton, triumvirate for the Yankees. Cranky Yankee.
Frito-Lay chips. Love some Frito-Lay chips.
Tony Gwynn, red foil.
That's good we can pass out early, Brad.
What's the 289? Is that the photo variation?
Ooh, it might be. Let's see. Base card is 244. So
yeah, I knew it's something. I'm assuming it's a photo
variation. Variation too.
DeGrom.
Did JMBB get it? Yes, he did. Got his Mets. DeGrom variation.
I like that. Trevor Story VR.
Brian, what are you talking about?
I have not heard about that. Cal Ripken Jr. red foil.
If that is the thing, then we are not going to ice cream. Well played.
Another Instavision, so that was an extra. And it's a Trout Instavision.
Jeez. What kind of break is this?
Angels, Oku. A Trout Instavision.
Jeez. Alright.
2 Instavisions.
Yeah, we're only 2 boxes in.
Luzardo, black foil. Yep, pretty much he's CCF. Trevor Rogers autograph for Miami. It's a neat image.
Isn't he the one that's having like a Rookie of the Year season? I think that's a really good hit.
Also for Oku.
Very good stuff about Trevor Rogers. Almost out of chips. What? Oh, Wavy Lays has jerk chicken. Hold on, what's Brad PC got? I'll support your company. Tell me about your chips.
Dominic Smith. Yeah, Ruffles are my go-to. Superstar Duos.
Agreed, AC. Oh my god, I agreed with ACN on a food item.
Well, because it's more of a texture than a taste thing, I think.
Ruffles are the original wavy chip.
Magical Refractor for the White Sox, AF Chef. And a Shorebird Red Foil.
Frightening.
Nate Pearson, Chrome card for Toronto.
I didn't see that Madrigal was a refractor.
DeGrom VR.
Every day but Sunday. Pearson looks like a giant, yeah. Dude's got some long legs.
Randy Johnson. Box topper. Did we find out where he works? Let's see. Yes, Ruffles with French onion dip. Yep.
Cheese dip warm. Has to be warm. Yeah, we got a lot of Oots chips.
DeGrom, red foil.
When they did that promo with Tops, we bought a bunch of those. Otherwise, we don't usually see those around here.
We have the pretzels and the cheese puff things, but not chips. Santana, red foil. I really like Dean's French onion dip with Ruffles. Or I make a dip that has ranch, sour cream, cheese, like shredded cheese, and jalapenos in it. Oh my god. I would eat that every day. George Brett, red foil. I only make it like once a year.
Hey Brad, do you have the grapefruit wedge in the drink? That's the way to do those.
Barry Zito autograph. Does that say Barry Zito?
Barry Zito autograph. Didn't see that one coming.
AF Chef.
No, that says B.
N.
Horseshoe something. That's a cool one.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that. He has a flag in the background and everything. How American is that card? That just screams America.
Very 4th of July E.
West Coast is mostly Frito-Lay. Okay. I'm learning. Oots cheese balls? What's a Oots? Okay, haven't had that one yet.
Yeah, their cheese balls are the one thing we do have here. I don't think we've had them, but
this freaking jerk chicken chip.
Haven Smith. You have to look at Schneck's website and see if they have it. Or we can just go there.
I would go in there right now and go look for that if there truly is a jerk chicken chip.
We should look at Walgreens too. They tend to have a lot of that kind of stuff.
Well, if there isn't, I'm going to be very upset at Brian.
Triumvirate. Fernando Tatis.
Poor man's tequila diet squirt and lime wedge. Okay, well, whatever works, right?
Not going to Walmart. I'm willing to do a lot of things, but going into Walmart's probably not going to be one of them for me. Lindor red foil. Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, you just did it.
Oh, I'm in trouble.
Now you started it.
Luke Voigt VR. No one's gonna come yell at me?
Oh, they're both in the kitchen still.
Oh. Yeah, I forgot. A Rizzo red foil.
A Rizzo red? Do you have that one yet, UCCF? Or is that Regertz?
Stackus red foil.
do you have that one? Okay. Good deal.
Ryu 2 of 25 autograph. That's a black foil autograph. Ryu. 2 of 25. I don't think I've ever gotten one of these, so not a long time at least.
Yeah, I'm mad at him. Put him away.
He looks huge. He's not that big, is he?
He's a bigger dude.
Yeah, I did not realize he was...
He's slightly underperforming this year. I mean, he's still having a solid season, but he's not quite what he's been the last couple of years.
Yeah, he looks gigantic in that picture.
It's a huge dude.
Darvish, red foil, and Corey Seager, red foil. This is a weird half case.
Yeah.
Hernandez, red foil. Yeah, let's try Schnucks and Walgreens. I bet one of them has it.
Jerk chicken chips. I mean, that just hit every single one of my switches.
Every single one of them? Superstar duos. Mookie Betts, don't answer that.
Yeah, strong jaw. Yeah, that's one way to say it.
Danny Jansen, red foil.
Wait, why'd you fall down?
I don't know. Ian Anderson, chrome for Atlanta. And a Shane Bieber VR.
The Red Raiders had them too? Who hasn't had these jerk chicken chips? What am I missing out on? I've got FOMO. I'm leaving. Can you finish this?
Yep. I can't put any breaks up or anything, but I'll just open all the cases.
Alright.
Debbie Garcia. You could fix it all later, right?
It's kind of funny. We've had Jules breaks going on, what, 5 years now? And yet neither one of us can do the other person's job.
Yeah, don't say that in front of Sam. Be like, what is wrong with you people? A lot. Jimenez. You could do mine.
We tried that last week. Didn't go very well.
That's fine.
On break nights, that is exactly the truth, Red Raider. Taco Bell and cookies. That's about it.
Starling Marte.
Although we're trying Schlotzky's tomorrow.
Are we though?
I say we should.
Piazza red foil. Okay.
Oh, ACA. Come on. Salt and vinegar is good stuff.
I used to hate salt and vinegar chips. I like them now. I don't choose them, but like if someone had them around, I would eat them. David Ortiz, black foil.
Alright, we'll see if anybody on YouTube is truly watching these breaks. If you are on YouTube and you are listening to these breaks, I need some feedback. Salt and vinegar chips, yes or no? Just put it in the comments. We'll look at it. Go ahead and answer.
Also, have you
yes.
had these jerk chicken things? Because I'm curious. Zach Birdie autograph. White Sox. Zach Birdie auto. AF Chef.
Chili mango.
Moustakas red foil.
Hold up, forget this jerk chicken. I'm going chili mango. I'm going to have to do both. BLT I'm not feeling. But chili mango and wavy jerk chicken, those sound amazing.
Verlander triumphant for Houston.
Reaper roulette.
Rosario red foil.
That sounds like a fun party pizza.
What is this? Superstar Duos red foil. So that's that one per case. And it's Acuna and Freddie Freeman for the Braves. Tim A. Superstar Duos. Amen. UCCF. Jose Ramirez, red foil.
Said no one ever. So true.
Manny Machado, red foil.
I enjoy a good Caesar salad or something, but yeah, I agree. That's not the centerpiece of the meal.
Real Muto, black foil. Evan White for Seattle. Brad PC, Evan White autograph.
It's simply amazing how many of the CSB conversations revolve around food. But you have to get thinking about it. I mean, food truly is the best social activity. I mean, people work all week.
Marte, red foil.
You know, we have stuff to deal with just nonstop. And then if you get the opportunity to finally take a break, catch your breath, and go out with people and have something to eat, it's one time you get to sit there and enjoy your company while stuffing your face full of good food. I mean, who doesn't like a good meal?
That one guy. Treasure One Walker.
Oh, yeah, that one guy.
Red foil. Are these boxes growing? Are they multiplying? Is someone plunking me right now? Yeah, I feel it.
Yeah, it's universal language. I mean, who doesn't like food? I
The
mean,
love is the language. Joey Bart.
we love food.
Yeah, that's true. Eh. Tavares, Chrome.
The ACA knows. However, if she said, do you want to go to a fire pit and have, you know, whatever food, would that change your mind? If there's some sort of a buffet or whatever.
Bob Gibson, red foil.
Love that card.
Yeah, the red foil is the best.
It's the foods. Okay, fair point.
Joey Gallo, black foil.
No, it's not lettuce flavored chips. That's not even food. We're talking about food.
We have a redemption card.
Ruh-roh.
You're due to receive a base card autograph.
Ed Howard. Is it Ed Howard? Ooh,
No, it's David Peterson for the Mets. JMBBB, a David Peterson autograph.
Apparently Ed Howard has a lot of outstanding redemptions. Just saying.
Hey, hippie.
What's up, hippie?
Andrew Benintendi, red foil.
Hippie's just here to talk about how great that race was last weekend.
Mookie Betts, triumvirate for the Dodgers. There's a red foil VR virtual reality Tiger Glass now. Tiger. Did I call him Tiger?
I heard something like that.
I don't have a cuff button. Tyler Glass now, VR for the Rays. Braxton Garrett, red foil.
Yeah, I forgot that's a case hit.
Mm-hmm.
Forgetting all my case hits. Not a fan of Pocono.
Jimenez, red foil.
What is your favorite track? Just curious. From a race connoisseur such as yourself, what's the, if I was to see one live race, what's the place to go? I'd still say we ought to go up to Kansas Speedway later this year when they do the fall race. See that one.
Tucker Davidson, red foil.
Bristol, baby.
Seven of 10 Mike Trout rainbow foil autograph.
Just happened there? Woo, baby.
Wow. Oku.
Freaking Oku.
A Trout 7 of 10.
Does that go on the Jules Instagram?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Okay,
and it's the best because it's the card I said I liked of him, of all the cards of his. Alright, yeah, put in something.
Let me protect that baby real quick. Hold on. Some lady signed it. Hey, Abar, haven't seen you in a while. There it is.
That doesn't even seem real. It's definitely the best Trout I've gotten.
Well, that's a good autograph, too. I mean, he has his... I know Trout's autograph isn't super fancy, but...
Well, it fits really well into the card. Yeah. Decent card. Nah.
Woo, baby.
Nah.
Alright, well... This whole case has been pretty good so far.
It's just a bizarre case, though. Everything's weird in it. George Springer red foil.
You know what's weird, though? This is the case that we gave the boxes away from.
It's true.
For the bounties, it came out of the same case. Somebody could have gotten that Trout auto for free. Could you imagine?
And now there's nothing but disappointment from everyone opening those now. Justin Verlander red foil.
Whew. Okay, so what was I talking about? Racetracks. Hippie, you're saying Martinsville. Okay, I'm good with that.
I don't remember where that is.
It's in Martinsville.
I don't remember where that is. Garcia.
I just had to do it. Yeah, Stadium Club is always kind of a fun dose break.
Hey, there's a Apache Chrome. Tim. Thank you.
Now, something I've always wanted to do.
Dustin May red foil.
Go ahead, y'all can judge me.
They already judge you.
I know. I've always wanted to do one of those NASCAR weekends where you have like a big RV and get to camp out and sit on the roof.
Max Fried red foil.
I know that's very
I think it's the right way to do it, though, right?
But it just seems like something fun to do. I mean, you're camping,
Brandon Crawford,
but you're at a big sporting event. People are all fired up about a big race.
Sanchez autograph for the Mets. JMBBB. Alex Sanchez autograph.
I have not yet, Hippie, but I actually hired a new employee that is a dirt track racer, and he's told me he's going to get me out to some of these dirt tracks in the future, so I'm going to check it out. You did Michigan? That's awesome.
Bryce Harper triumvirate.
Hired him to work for me.
George Brett red foil.
Believe it or not, my full-time job is not Jules Sleever. Might be 90% of my job, but...
There is the red foil Max Scherzer, 1 per case. Triumvirate for the Nationals.
Okay, sit.
Single bolt.
Solid break. No, Harper's good.
Kirby Puckett red foil.
He just had too much hype early on. I would take his career in a second.
Rojas red foil.
Well, Jules is always in charge. We know that, Red Raider. Yeah, Schrader, I know, is still doing a lot of racing, or, you know, at least he's at the tracks.
Clark Schmidt black foil.
Solid ambassador.
Joey Gerber autograph for Seattle. Brad PC Joey Gerber Otto.
Is that an auto?
Otto. Mm-hmm. Kim, red foil.
Yeah, but I like it.
Superstar duos for the Phillies.
Superstar duos like Sam and Omni.
Mm-hmm. Just like that.
Okay.
Cal Seager, red foil.
File's getting too big.
Yeah, maybe don't put any more up there.
I'm not. I gotta get a base box. Yeah, Chronicles Racing. It's gonna be fun.
Yelich, box topper.
Requested a case of it. We'll see if we get it. Man, I wish we had a slightly bigger racing group.
Just
I know
slightly?
there's a core group here that appreciates racing.
Goldschmidt Chrome.
But I feel like in order to do regular racing breaks, we need a few more people. $80 races in 100 days. Wow.
Dansby Swanson, red foil. And a Clayton Kershaw, red foil.
Good for him.
I don't remember that UCCF, but I can't. I guess I did. I was young. I don't really remember. DeYoung, black and white.
Nice.
For the Cardinals. AC.
Oh, athletes.
Oops, Sam Huff, gold minted.
Wow, all the good stuff.
Texas, AF Chef. Sam Huff, gold minted.
Appreciate that clarification, UCCF.
Alvarez, black foil. We're not naming Charles's.
Charles is not a bean.
Kyle Finnegan autograph. I feel like we're getting a lot of autographs, but I guess it's just they're back to back every time or something. Something weird is happening with them. Single malt, Kyle Finnegan autograph.
I did appreciate you, Red Raider, until you said you didn't like salt and vinegar chips.
Soroka, red foil.
Then we went down separate paths. I was this close to initiating Red Raider Appreciation Day, and then you said that, and I'm like, okay, well, step it back.
Scherzer Triumvirate. So now you have the regular Scherzer and the red. I think it was a red.
It was a red.
Yeah.
Going for the rainbow.
Vladimir, red foil.
Charlie Chocolate Factory.
No.
Kind of late, Red Raider.
Scherzer VR.
Had a confetti gun and everything. First
Ohtani,
choice.
red foil.
Oh, look at him backtrack.
Tolerance Day. That's every day. Biggio, red foil. Chronomirth, black foil.
Oh, man, I wish I could go back and record the rest of the chat. I guess I can look at that on Twitch, can't I?
Cody Whitley autograph for the Cardinals.
Oh, that's what I don't have yet.
AC. Cody Whitley auto.
Still naming Charles's.
Joey Bart, red foil. Superstar duos for Toronto.
Anybody go with the Charlie Manuel yet? Keeping it in the sports theme.
Rendon, refractor for the Angels. And a Pavin Smith. Oh, members only. Pavin Smith for Arizona. Stack. I wonder what that was. It was upside down.
According to Sammy, the members only jacket. We still need some CSB gear. He needs to work on that.
You know he's just going to make me work on it. So you might as well just tell me.
I'm going to tell him to work on it.
Okay. Otani, box topper.
CSB overalls.
I buy them. I want a pair of overalls.
I have all sorts of weird CSB gear. Overalls, just, question people when they buy them.
Shane Bieber, chrome.
CSB sports bra.
Blake Snell, black foil. That'd be easy. Like 4 people would buy it. No fedoras. Kepler, black and white for Minnesota. Cool breeze. Black and white. Kepler for the Twins. Maeda, another black and white. This has been such a bizarre case. Or half case.
2 black and whites in the same box? Okay.
Cool breeze, unless that was between boxes and I didn't realize it.
No, I think it was the same. So I've got 3 of them now here.
How else would you do it, UCCF? Giancarlo. Black foil.
Chucking his back.
Mercedes autograph for the White Sox. AF Chef. Nimmo, red foil.
CSB Tux.
What a delight. Yu Darvish, triumvirate for the Padres. Tim.
No, the members only bounty was meant for opening weekend only.
Tucker Davidson, red foil. Ooh, Mookie Betts, red beam team. Another
case hit. We're getting all the case hits in this.
For the Dodgers, Mississippi. It's a nice one. Glass now VR.
I think Brian has a good point there.
Zach Gallen, red foil. Albert Pujols, red foil.
Out of sleeves. Hold on. Right back.
Dylan Carlson, black foil. Jake Woodford, autograph for the Cardinals. It's like our 3rd Cardinals.
2nd.
Jake Woodford autograph.
Was it Stack? Okay, tell you what. We'll send you something for it. That was meant for opening weekend only, but if we still have something up there, I'll do something for you.
Ian Happ, red foil for the Cubs. Superstar duos for Seattle. and a Trey Turner red foil.
Let's see, where's stacks? There we go. Your Pavin Smith members only. Alright, I'll do this one. Yeah, we'll do something for you, don't worry. No, that's not a friggin' Jules, that's friggin' Ryan.
It didn't matter. That's exactly what friggin' Jules is. I just get blamed for things even if I don't do them.
Alright, so here you go. Here's the hit recap. Let's just leave it at that.
No.
No? Alright.
This is a crazy case.
This is freaking nuts.
Hit recap for 8-box case break number 7 of Stadium Club.
Half case break.
Half case break. Mike Trout, rainbow foil board autograph, numbered 7 of 10. How crazy is that? 7 of 10.
Say more.
Mike Trout, rainbow foil board autograph. Pretty much could have ended it there, but I guess we could show everybody else their cards.
I guess so.
Ryu, he had a 2 of 25 black foil autograph. Ryu. Jake Woodford, a David Peterson autograph. Cody Whitley, Mercedes, Sanchez, Gerber, a lot of sideways cards. Finnegan, Birdie, gosh. Evan White, Barry Zito, Trevor Rogers, Victor Gonzalez, Santiago Espinal, and Zach McKinstry. Gold minted Sam Huff. A photo variation Jacob deGrom. Not one, but 2 Instavisions. The first one was a Ken Griffey Jr. 30 of 50 red foil Instavision, and a Trout Instavision. We had a members only Pavin Smith, red foil, 1 per case, Beam Team Mookie Betts, Triumvirate Max Scherzer, and VR Tyler Glasnow. A blue foil, Jemiah Jones, numbered 39 of 50. Black and white cards, Kenta Maeda, Max Kepler, and Paul DeYoung. Chromes Refractors, Madrigal, Rendon. Regular Chromes, Shane Bieber, Paul Goldschmidt, Pache, Tavares, Jimenez, Nate Pearson, Ian Anderson, and Bryce Harper.